What's up, guys? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. Now, this video is about my accessory collection thus far. After owning the Nintendo Switch Lite for about 2 weeks now, and I've picked up quite a few accessories, what have you. And to be honest, a lot of other accessories I have not put in this video will actually be compatible with the Switch, for the simple fact that yeah, SD card slot, headphone jack, meaning the headphones, earbuds I have are all compatible with this device, and also majority of the SD cards that I do have are compatible. And I did forget that I already have a 256 gigabyte SD card. I'm probably not even using, so I need to go ahead and throw that in here before I mean, technically I ran out of space, but that's because I am a hoarder. Anyways, so let's start off with the decals. All right, so the decals is from Nintendo, Nintendo Switch Lite. Not Nintendo Switch Lite, but it's Legend of Zelda decals. You could put them on any device, a MacBook, a laptop, a desktop computer, a smartphone, a tablet. So the Legend of Zelda stickers or decals I got, I decided to put them on a Nintendo Switch. I kind of messed up that one down at the bottom, but I'll fix it. But yeah, that one looks pretty good on it, and that one looks pretty good on it. So, I kind of customized it a little bit, but I want to put a few more like right in the middle, right here by the Switch sign. So yeah, give or take. Let me know your thoughts. Oops, I started the game. All right. All right, so there we have it for that one. Now I want to start off with the stand. Okay, now this stand is very neat. It's by Insignia, so it's a basic stand for your Nintendo Switch and Nintendo Switch Lite. Now, what I like about it is, and another thing I found out last minute, these are 2 game card compartments, meaning these 2 games, which I just bought this NBA 2K20. I can place right here. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Let me make sure I'm putting it in right. Okay, so boom, here we go. Got that. And this is Resident Evil Revelations. All right, boom, okay. Snap in place. All right, so now I got 2 games in here. Also, you can pull out the kickstand. All right, and you got different levels. As you can see, you got different levels. Think about 4 to 5 different levels. Just depends on how far you want your Nintendo Switch or Switch Lite to sit. And here is the Switch. So this is very adjustable to how you want it. And then once you got it in the right place, bam, here we go. A travel kickstand for your Switch and Switch Lite. Also has games you can put in the back. So whenever you want to, take out one game, you go like, swap them, put them back there, boom, put another one in, and yeah, you are ready. Now, like I said, it's very adjustable, so you adjust it to your liking. You can go all the way back like this, and yeah, you ready to roll. You ready to game on. Now, we were about to get into this bad boy next. So I just wanted to show you guys my Nintendo Switch Lite stand. And it has game compartments for your game cards. So, yeah, there we are. Boom. All right, you're going to leave that to the side. Okay. Now, this next one is the Nintendo Switch Lite grip. This is to have better grip of your Switch. All right. So, and it does have game slots as well. So, we're going to go ahead and demo that real fast. Let's see. And boom. See how easy that was? That was so freaking easy. And on top of that, this is so much comfortable than actually holding the actual console in your hand. I like the grips. You can still get to all the trigger buttons. You can still get to all the compartments, the ports, the USB-C, the speakers, and then, you know, the air, the fans. All right, so, you know, yeah, also, like I said, you could put your games in each slot right there. Boom. And make sure I got it right. Boom. It holds up to 4. This one only holds up to 2. All right. So right now, there's some good use. But yeah, so I gotta cop a few more games, and yeah, I have a whole slot of games. Now, I'm not sure if you can actually play them. It doesn't, you know, read it or anything like that. You know, let me check. Yeah, you gotta actually have it in the main slot. Ooh, wish I didn't close all the way. But yeah, this is awesome, right? So keep that in mind, guys, when you out here buying these accessories. This one, I believe, is only like $5, and this is like $7. So they're very affordable. You know, they're very affordable accessories. Okay. All right. Let's go on to the next one. Now, this is an on-screen protector. I already have it on the Nintendo Switch. Okay. So, yes, do I recommend a tempered glass screen protector? Yes. Even for the Nintendo Switch Lite. All right, now this next one, I'm pretty sure you all seen in the previous video, but I just here to show you again that, you know, this one holds up to 8 games, and you can put your Switch right here. Bam. Like that. Bam. You secure it. And then your game's right here. So let's go ahead and demo that. And bam. Secure it. And then you can put out your little small accessories like cables, chargers, earbuds, and I got my little spray. I got another little extra cleaning cloth, things and that sort. So it just depends. Now, I'm pretty sure with all the accessories I'm getting now, yeah, I'm gonna need a bigger Nintendo Switch case. So, you know, it is what it is, but it's still closable. And it's compact. It's got zippers, 2 zippers, if I may add. All right, so got a little handle. And yeah, that's all my small accessories I got. Quick pickups real quick with the Nintendo Switch Lite. Also, your smartphone is an accessory. Yeah, yeah, it's a companion, a sidekick even. Maybe an extra screen. So yeah, you got your Nintendo Switch Online application. Pokemon Go is actually compatible. I also found out that Injustice 2, it's compatible on your smartphone, and Animal Crossing and Mario Kart. The Mario Kart on the game, the Google Play Store and iOS is also compatible with your Nintendo Switch account. So, you know what I'm saying? So let's look up Mario Kart. Yeah. So this is also compatible with your Nintendo Switch games and things in that sort. So, yeah, you can link up your Nintendo account to the Mario Kart application on your Android device and iOS device. So your smartphone is also a companion, also an accessory to this. And like I said, some of the stuff you already have, like USB Type-C cables and headphones and micro SD cards are already compatible with the Nintendo Switch, which makes this freaking awesome and also saves you tons of money, which means you don't have to go out and buy super extra, you know, accessories. But if you want the Nintendo, you know, authentic, the official Nintendo Switch accessories, then these are the ones to go with. This is just like my basic accessory lineup. All right, so let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Did you know, like, majority of your accessories you got already are already compatible with the Switch Lite, especially USB Type-C, headphone jack, and your micro SD card slot. Yeah, baby. Gotta like the SD card gang. All right, but yeah, let me know what you think about the decals. Right there, screenshot.